Good morning, class. Today, we are going to start working on our very own virtual study space. This should be a fun activity and a way to familiarize yourself with the functions of Google Slides. It can look however you want. Maybe your study space looks like a library. Maybe it looks like a bedroom. Maybe it looks like an office space. It's really up to you. All right, first things first, let's create a background for our study space. Right now, we just see a blank white space. We need a background. So look at my mouse. I'm going to go up here and click this button which says background. Next, I'll click choose image right here. And I can look for an image by clicking this button which says Google Image Search. There's a search bar now at the top. We're going to go and type wall and floor background, okay? And this should be what you look for when it's your turn as well. Wall and floor background. I'll do a search, and wow, look at that. So many options come up. I'll pick one that I like. I could scroll down if I want. There's a lot to pick from. Choose one that has a floor and a wall. I'll select it, and then I'll click the button which says Insert. Done. All right. Now I'm going to start adding elements, adding things to my room, like posters or plants or a desk or a whiteboard, a computer or a cat. I don't know. It's up to you. To do that, I'm going to go up to the top again and click the button which says Insert. Click Image. And over here, we're going to select Search the Web. All right. Now you can look for whatever you like. I'm going to do a desk. So I'm going to search for desk. But I also want to add, on the end of the search, transparent background. It's important that you do a search for transparent or transparent background at the end, because if you don't, you could get a desk which has a clunky white background and it would just look awkward. You want it to be transparent behind the object. So I'll do desk transparent background. I see a bunch of different objects, different things to pick from. Maybe I'll find one that I like. I'll click it and I'll select Insert. And there it is. Now I can move it to wherever I want. So maybe I want it in the bottom right corner. I can resize it a little bit. Oh, that's too small. That's too big. That's just right. Now here's a tip. You can actually rotate how the object looks. So you see on the right side, there's an open space here, almost like a little shelf area. Maybe I want that on the left side of the desk. I can right-click the object, select Rotate, and then choose Flip horizontally. See? Look, now it's reversed. See it one more time. I right-click the object, rotate, flip horizontally. Okay, now we can start adding more elements. Maybe I'll do Insert, Image, Search the Web. I want a floor plant. Okay? Floor plant, don't forget to write transparent background at the end. Find a plant that I want, click it, hit Insert. There it is. A little too big, I'll make it smaller. Now, one other thing to note, whenever you add an element, it's always going to be in front. See how my plant right here is in front of the desk? That's because the plant is the item I just most recently added. But maybe I want it behind my desk. There's a way to do that. Look here. I will right-click the plant. I'll go to Order, and I'll choose Send to Back. See that? Now look, the plant is behind my desk. Okay, maybe I'll do one more. Insert, Image, Search the Web. I'm going to look for a whiteboard. Find one I like. This one looks good. We'll insert it. We'll put it over there. Okay. See how the whiteboard is in front of the plant? I don't want that. So I'm going to right click the whiteboard, select order, send to back. Boom. Now the plant is in front of the whiteboard. Okay, you just saw how to get started on your study space with that wall and background, how to add elements, and how to rotate and reorder them as well. Let's get started.